Hello, welcome to Reema's Garden. I am Reema Gopalan. So a lot of times people ask me, Reema, what do you do with gardening? Do you sell products, gardening accessories, all the things that you need for gardening? Do you sell plants or you teach gardening? And I want to answer them. I teach gardening, true, but what Reema's Garden stands for is that we simplify gardening. See, gardening as such has numerous methods, numerous ways, and you can do n number of things with gardening and plants. What we stand for is simplification. What Reema's Garden does is, if you want to start gardening, you can start. You don't need 10 different things to start gardening. Or you don't need 10 different things to maintain your garden. A lot of times people start out with expectations, some realistic, some unrealistic. We tell them what is realistic and what is not. Like, for example, a lot of times people start gardening because of some social media influence, where they see a lot of green spaces and they want to create a green space around at home. But at the core of it, all they want is an added aesthetic appeal to their place. That is not the right way to go about. So what we do is, yes, plants definitely add the appeal to your place, especially the aesthetic appeal to your place, but that cannot be the sole reason you go around. Similarly, when people want to, weigh down, I always ask, पौधे के लिए गमला चाहिए या गमले के लिए पौधा चाहिए? You decide what you want, and there is no right or wrong here. Come on, let's be frank. If you like those fancy planters and the pots and those beautiful ceramic pots, go for it. But be very clear about it, that you want these kind of decor items and you want plants to complement them. That definition is very important. There is never a right or wrong, but defining it is what is at the core of it. And choose your plants accordingly. Again, there are a lot of people who like organic gardening, simple gardening, where they just want to grow, herbs, vegetables, and some flowering plants. They don't want the fancy stuff. So what happens is, a lot of time, because of misinformation, they are bombarded with a lot of things like you need XYZ fertilizers, you have to keep fertilizing, and you need a pesticide, and you need gardening tools, and like nothing. All you need is soil and organic compost. So what we do here is we simplify gardening, okay? And that is what this brand stands for. And how, see, what simplicity means is that you have a choice. A choice where you know why you are buying something. See, you can buy 10 things or you can just buy one. It's your choice, but you have to make an informed decision about how many things you want and why you want it. Misinformation, or rather you say incomplete knowledge about certain things, what it does is, you think you need to buy certain things, you are compelled to buy certain things because you think otherwise you cannot do gardening, or otherwise you cannot go about having plants and all. I want to debunk that myth. I'm very much fine if you want to have all the beautiful accessories, or you just want a normal plant with a simple pot because you want plants. Either way, making an informed decision is what we stand for. And that is what Reema's Garden is all about. Making informed choices when it comes to gardening. Thank you.